Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect to VPN on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to connect to a VPN, so let's see how can I do this. First, you just have to install a third-party VPN for this. You just have to open your Play Store and here just look for any VPN. Just search for it and here you'll get a list of VPNs. I recommend you just have to install this VPN as I have already installed it. After the installation, just tap on open and the VPN will be open in your phone. So let's see how can we connect it. You just have to wait for it. As it's open, you just have to tap on connect and after that it will be connected device. Now if you want to disconnect, you can easily disconnect it from here. Here's the VPN icon in the your status bar. Just tap on this and then select open VPN settings and it will open your all VPN settings. Just tap on it, then select disconnect from here. If you have any other VPNs, you can easily add it from here. Just enter the VPN name and the other details, and after that your VPN will be added to your device. So that's how you can easily connect your VPN on Vivo X200 FE Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.